So Hendrix Genetics was founded in 2005 by our founders, Thijs Hendricks and Anton van den Berg. At that moment, they started with setting up an animal species breeding company. And the multi-species that we currently have is laying hens, turkeys, swine, and then the 3 species in aqua, which is salmon, trout, and shrimp. So we set the standard for sustainable animal breeding. And with this, we play a significant role in supporting the global food challenge with our high-quality animal genetics. Yeah, so that's a very nice story. So in 2005, as I said, we started as a company, and in 2005 there was a merger between a Dutch poultry breeding company, Hendrix, and ISA Institution de Sélection Animale in France. So those 2 companies merged, and then that was immediately the start of the presence of Hendrix Genetics in France. At that time, there were around 300 people in France. And from there, a next investment was done in 2007. So in 2007, Sophie Proteol did a strategic investment in Hendrix Genetics. In that same year, Hendrix Genetics invested in France Hybride. It's a swine breeding company. Followed by an investment in 2011, an acquisition of Grelier, and that was in turkeys and traditional poultry. So you can see that as of day one, France has been a strategic country for Hendrix Genetics. So it has always been the case since the start of the company in 2005. It still is, and it for sure will continue to be. So to give you an indication, at this point in time, we have around 25% of our total employees based out of France. Strategic. Yeah, so if I look at Hendrix Genetics, so as I said, our vision is this setting the standard for sustainable animal breeding. So sustainability is key for us, and we are continuously striving to do a better job there. And that's what we do in the Netherlands, that's what we do in France, that's what we do in Canada, that's what we do in all our countries. But it really differs country per country because it's sustainability is not easy. It's a topic. It has many aspects. It has environmental aspects. It has economic aspects, and it has social aspects. So combining all these, you can do a good job. But it also means that you need to collaborate. So I think in every single country, depending upon the circumstances, we can do better, and we need to invest. And yet, can we do better in France? I think we can do better everywhere, but it does mean that we need to collaborate in the industry, with government. We need to invest. We need to be creative. We need to be willing to find solutions. Well, I honestly think that we are in the Netherlands. We are in a bit, in a very good spot. We are in a position where we have the means to invest in sustainability in the environment, and we can be an example. We can be setting the standards for many other regions. We as Hendrix Genetics, we play a significant role there as an animal genetics company. We have solutions, but we also should not give up. We should not think that we are there. So also the Netherlands, we might think we are better than other regions, but we need to, first of all, set that example. And secondly, we need to continue finding new solutions, better solutions, because it's all about having a brighter future for tomorrow, for all of us, for the next generation. So for my kids.